Today we will discuss about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year across the world. The main motto of celebrating of this day is to raise awareness among people and to protect our environment. It was established by the UN General Assembly in 1972 on the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment, resulting from discussions on the integration of human interactions and the environment. 2 years later, in 1974, it was held with the theme Only One Earth. The theme for 2020 is Celebrate Biodiversity, and it was supposed to be celebrated in Colombia in partnership with Germany. Colombia is one of the mega diverse nations of the world. What is biodiversity? Bio means living, diversity means diverse forms of life. It is defined as the variety of plant and animal life in the world in a particular habitat at a particular time. It boosts ecosystem productivity. Why should we care for biodiversity? It provides us with food, water, and the resources as well as services such as climate control, flood mitigation, and recycling of nutrients, etc. Every living organism has a role to play in maintenance of ecosystem. This day focuses and reminds us about the increasing environmental issues. We must protect our environment so that human life can also be protected. Our responsibility is to plant more and more trees to reduce, recycle, and reuse the things. It's our duty to keep our Mother Earth safe and clean for better tomorrow. To take care for ourselves, we must take care of our nature. Let's nurture our nature to get better future. Now, what are the main objectives of World Environment Day? The main objectives are to spread awareness among common people about the environmental issues, to encourage common people from different communities or societies to participate actively in developing environmental safety measures, to aware people to keep their surrounding clean and green. We know that trees are the lungs of the world, but we do not bother to protect them. It's the time to wake up. It is the idea needs to be nurtured among the young generation. It should start from school and children who are the future citizens. We have to teach them about the importance of trees. They should come together and plant saplings in school and nearby areas to make a clean and green planet to live. World Environment Day reconnects us to nature. Perhaps we have forgotten that our natural systems support our own well-being and we are a part of this nature. It provides an occasion to raise awareness to protect our mother nature. It inspires us to do something to protect our earth. It is the people's day to show their care towards nature. We need to rethink our relationship with the living world, with natural ecosystem and their biodiversity. Let's all join hands and save the earth and conserve biodiversity. Let's take a place to assure, dedicate ourselves to safeguard our earth by planting more and more trees.